Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Abdurahman Hejazi. I'm the religious director at PGMA. I'm very delighted this year that the Night of Unity is going to happen here at PGMA. And as you may see, a big field, alhamdulillah, there will be a big tent there. And inshallah, everyone is welcome. This event is one of the unique events that we have in the DMV area, where we get imams from all the masajid, and we get to sense the unity between the ummah here. May Allah Azza wa Jal always bring us together. We look forward to having everyone here. It is this coming Saturday, May the 26th, inshallah. See you all here, and may Allah accept from all of you. Ramadan Mubarak. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.